Hello there, my name is Faisal Nadeem, and in this video, I will share with you the salary data of different welders in United States, okay? No matter if you are considering a new career or seeking to enhance your existing skills as a welder, this video will provide you all the valuable insights about the salary data of different levels of welding jobs, okay? Like how much entry-level welder, experienced welder, certified welder, and specialized welder earns annually in United States, okay? Very quickly, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career-focused content. So let's start it. Before sharing with you the salary data, do understand that the earnings of welders in the United States, they can vary based on, several factors such as, location, level of experience, industry, and more importantly, certifications as well, okay? So as of the latest data I have collected, these are the approximate salary ranges for welders in the United States. Okay, so if we talk about the entry level welder, the average salary for entry level welders with limited experience, it typically ranges from $35,000 to $50,000 per year. Okay, then if we talk about experienced welder, basically as welders gain more experience and expertise, so their earning potential increases, and the experienced welders can earn salaries within the range of $50,000 to $70,000 per year. Okay. Then if we talk about certified welders, welders, with additional certifications, like if we talk about one of the most important certification within US, that is, the certification from the American Welding Society. So, they often earn higher salaries. Okay. So certified welders, they can make anywhere from, $55,000 to $75,000 or, more annually as well. Then if we talk about specialized welder, basically, welders who specialize in, specific industries or, specific techniques, like if I talk about, like if I take an example basically here, underwater welding and, pipe welding. So these are, some types of specialized welding professions where, specialized welders earn upwards of $80,000 per year, okay? Then if we talk about welding inspectors and supervisors, welding inspectors and supervisors who oversee welding operations and also ensure quality control, so they can earn salaries, exceeding $80,000 per year. So that is the salary data of different levels of welders. It's important to note that, all the figures I have mentioned in this video, all are approximate and, they can vary based on the factors mentioned earlier in this video. Additionally, economic conditions, demand for skilled welders, and regional differences, more importantly, they can influence, salary levels as well. So that is all about our today's video on how much welders earn within United States. I have already created a complete video on the job description of a welder that includes very, very important information related to the job of a welder, okay? Like all the job responsibilities of a welder, and the most importantly, the skills and qualification requirements as well. So do check that video as well. It's a very useful video for you. The link is in the description of this video, okay? So that is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career-focused content. You can also share this video with anyone you think could benefit from it. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, feel free to comment below. Best of luck for your career as a welder. Have a good day.